Good morning and welcome to Sulsel Update in English with me, Rasni Gani, and here are some of the stories making the headline this morning. This is a good news for you all and your family. Region of Goa, Adnan Purita Ihsan Yasin Limpo launched another tourist destination this Monday. It is Gani Talasa Sileo Waterpark. Residents can reach this place by riding a motorcycle or driving a car for 30 minutes from the downtown city. It is 14 kilometers from the city center of Goa Regency. Gani Talasa 2 Sileo Waterpark is located between Parikate Village and Pabetengan Village, Bajang District, Goa Regency, South Sulawesi. The presence of this water park has been 101 tourist attraction in Goa Regency. It is expected to be able to absorb the workforce for the surrounding community, as well as contributing an increase in regional income. Meanwhile, the head of the committee, Aziza Aulia, said that Gani Talasa 2 Sileo Waterpark, constructed on 7 hectares area, consisting of swimming pool, water slide, fountain, and many more. For the entrance fee, 25,000 rupiahs for children and 30,000 rupiahs for adult. For those who stay, a family villas is prepared for 250,000 per night. If you hold a meeting, this place also had a hall with a large capacity. So, what are you waiting for?
Kan memang memprioritaskan pariwisata. Kenapa kita memprioritaskan pariwisata? Guna kita ingin melakukan peningkatan pendapatan asli daerah. Kalau kita ingin menaikkan pendapatan asli daerah, maka salah satu objek atau yang harus kita fokuskan adalah pariwisata. Kenapa? Karena begitu pariwisata berkembang, pajak restonya, pajak hotelnya, pajak hiburannya, ini semua menjadi 100% miliknya pemerintah kabupaten. Sehingga kenapa pemerintah kabupaten mau menggalakkan pariwisata, itu tiada lain karena ada rencana untuk menaikkan pendapatan asli daerah. Nah, dari 101 objek wisata yang ada di Kabupaten Goa saat ini, termasuk bertambahnya ini menjadi 101. Nah, ini tentu selain akan mampu menaikkan pendapatan asli daerah, ini juga akan berkontribusi untuk menyerap tenaga kerja, sehingga kita bisa bersama-sama menurunkan angka pengangguran dan angka kemiskinan yang ada di kabupaten.
Yang kedua ini memiliki luncuran yang tingginya 200 meter dan termasuk terbesar di Sulawesi Selatan, dan yang pastinya mengenai keamanan untuk para pengunjung di seluncuran kita jamin karena setiap wahana ada yang menjaga, ada petugas yang menjaga, dan juga permandian Gani Talasa dilengkapi dengan fasilitas penginapan dan juga aula untuk meeting ataupun berbagai macam kegiatan lainnya. Permandian Gani Talasa juga dilengkapi dengan parkiran yang luas, jadi bebas untuk pengunjung sebanyak apapun itu. Batasi pengunjung itu sendiri, tentunya di tiap-tiap gazebo itu dibatasi orang yang duduk, pengunjung yang duduk, dan tentunya dilengkapi dengan protokol kesehatan. Contohnya di jalan masuk di bagian loket itu tentu harus pemeriksaan suhu terlebih dahulu, dan di sekitaran permandian itu dilengkapi dengan alat cuci tangan dan juga pastinya harus menggunakan masker.
Now moving on to the next top story. The Indonesian government promotes vaccination program to prevent COVID-19 all over the country. When the normal people are vaccinated twice or 3 times, a man got 17 vaccination shots. Meet Abdurrahim, a resident of Pinrang Regency, South Sulawesi. Abdurrahim became viral on social media. He got overshot to get money. Now Abdurrahim needs to report and give his statement in police Pinrang Office Department this Monday. Rahim admitted that he received hundreds of thousands rupiahs to replace someone, starting from 100,000 rupiahs to 800,000 rupiahs per injection. Abdurrahim admitted that he wanted to be vaccinated many times to fulfill his daily need. According to him, he replaced 14 people to get a shot for vaccine card. The 15 people are Rahim's neighbor. He got the 17 injection in 3 months. He already visited 5 vaccination locations so far: Lasinrang Pinrang Hospital, Salok Health Center, Muhammadiyah Mosque, Khadijah Hospital, and Nurul Amin Mosque. That's all for today. Update your information at tribuntimur.com or watching our YouTube channel Tribun Timur. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good day. This has been Rasni Gani.